Several years ago, somebody came and said, try me. The result is what we are seeing today. Today, another person has come, and he's also saying, try me. And he's saying that
Kane Mampeni John Mahama, one in NDC for one more ecopa, one more campaign, and Tuma, ewo Tamale. Na JDM the name Guaquemopa, Nanen being say. A mistake cry, untim sam from Suyano. Sir, what the Adiama be? O by any pacra sardiano. Opa se will say Adianoa. Now said a comment the pacronwa, one someone noa, was sardiano. Now at what then I said, no, that's how the command say, Sardi says. Now what him says, would the cancer in the first place. Now the man now what was I sending Baker Hoa? Let us one cause I'm so what in your own. JDM Nebus Abeno, in young. I could see our poor pim that were pim the man and Adunian people. Sir, Ghana near Diano. And yet, the man one must say, and from where the more, one must send a photo. Near said not December 7 was had the outside the Kunma Nipana was say, Wadiano. And when the one in my own. What a mutia JDM.
And that's Kennedy, Honorable Kennedy Ejapong. Change is calling Ghana. And that's Kennedy, Honorable Kennedy Ejapong. Change needs Ghana because in the last Afrobarometer survey, more than 80% of Ghanaians said that our country is going in the wrong direction. And if you are going in the wrong direction, if you are walking or you are driving and you are going in the wrong direction, what do? You change your course. And that is why on 7 December, Ghana must change course. We cannot solve the crisis in which we are with the same people who caused the crisis in the first place.
Eti eno ena wade aboswo na wanwie eno wa se wa nkwatenkwate a ya wa Ghana harum Nana Addo Bawumia be fie ngwotwe 2016 e ba ye se wayi Ghana fo ntra no hwe nso no hwe no wa ben wo hye amamu wo fare kwa Ghana obeye Ghana ye ma Ghana obi a ho ato na ye boje nso ye adu show boy wo mo de Ghana akonwa no ma no a any de ehuni enne Ghana for obi abon nsa no mehuni yanka agya wadwo obi ase agya wadwo ehuni yanka ya ntra na hwe bia enne na bi de akira san ba so no so yansa betra no hwe na Ghana for be say some mistake ni bi wa na JDM na ebusai.
Several years ago, somebody came and said, try me. The result is what we are seeing today. Today, another person has come, and he's also saying, try me. And he's saying the same things the one who has helped to put us in this ditch was saying 8 years ago. And what they say is that, if after 4 years I don't do well, change me. The youth of this country don't have 4 years to waste. The youth of this country are in a hurry to create the opportunities that will make them live a dignified life. They're not going to try somebody and after 4 years decide whether you should continue. The youth of this country want an experienced hand. They want a safe pair of hands. They want a hand that they have seen do it before to come back and take this country and rescue us from the mess in which we have been dumped by the H.E Bawumia government.
JDM and what I said, we be soon nam and was say, Motra mission has said, my ya meant me anya, Namapam me, and what I said, Ghana made Bruno, what Muyaya Wadeno, Wobia emesɛmfie na bia akɔtere obi ahwe bi. Bia. Ai.
Ye kro ye kwala na band bi wo ho no mo bobo dance ya friend Somis. Somehwe. Ante friend Somis.
So sadwa Somis na gu ho.
Ai.
Magu.
Yo ani ofaya kuye ni mwai. Na Okyenhene osagefo amwati for penny and ede atodwa se nokre ase wiase domani sade oso ntakrache na de owodi nso ne yebo na de ya ne se otamfo bo wudin no obo ne hwene ene ya no wase krata bi nam Ghana hanomo a yede ne mfoni afam ho na ya twero so Agyapade wase sa krata no wahu bi waka bi na ene ya se ensem obi ahye da bosremu no waka te se de woto nansesam ene wakeka edi afa no ho a wono de wahu se frimfie petipin ye nipa bi ahyeda bɔ mu kyiri mu pɔse wodi afi ne nkekawa ebeka oforipani fie no ama bi aka wo kyeman na no no de atodwa se oba beka kyerɛ Ghana fo se bibia te se ani hɔ eye bosrem kasam amafo bi pɛso wo ye na wo mu digu akyem abuakwa state council no animase ɛno ɛna ɛnam so ama oni akyem abuakwa state council panifo akwa akoye hyiamu na ɛnam so ama ɔde atodwa se ɛwɔ se Ghana fo ehunu sa krata na wo mu so obi a wanya ink anya sheet no nim de ode ye asa kwada wo sua de na wo drodo bibia keke eno otwerotwero bibia ensem bia e wo krata mu no nokre bia nim
akobisam yesa anwaka enesesem na ne na sabedu okobanya okobanya yes ne ya ge na me ya ne spasi na me sabe yes ki bi abo apoa na me mi foni akotete ma chonku sabe le papo na mi be ya ne sabu na mi ya na ba ka na fa na de pa de na me to ku na mi foni address ne wo se on pese on is together in town any Ghana waka in town any me and the other man and the yes honestly two baby now here what guy oh baby now here what challenge
we eye Okyenhene osagefo amwati oforipani ene ode ani bre esa okyeman ti se krata na mabonten so no hu se amafo eduaduade bi a esom otan ena fe ebema ani bre abo mo ho kwa abra no kura bi anim eno no wie ye osande to so se wo hwe Ghana hanom eye ya hennie ene ye nkronkro ene ye busueku ahodo e wo hanom a bebre atumpo akomanim dedaada achen Okyemanpo ene nwanwa ya ne ya ese ebremu a Okyeman soso aso agya ne naso a opeso ye bibi adigi ne din si honom no amafo apase wo mode nkeka wa bi ebeka Okyeman di ho na ebewie akire no bi hu Okyeman ni ana ya ne se obi a oye nipa boni ni bi anase owusuboni bi ewo ne ho eno soso wo kirekire mu sei
Obi ama me ye bibia ekosu ya
ba
bebre kido bebre aye yesi
ba
yes de bia ye na ye ba de papa o come service mo
ba
so so ba wo ni no ani ko se ma kwata ani ero no ni ko ku kwata no ani duwa bebre
ba
Everything is na nai na do baya eno so abaya sama mai eno ni o akabie eno ni ni abese ojo do baya na lo si papa na mu abata de na ansi apose ye di na kwa ya na so ase so ni lo ti na so ni bi o kana eno se oh, he is good. Yeah, ba. Every other piano or cassette, all kind of one there, papa.
Ba.
You don't know
ba.
Amwati oforipani ene yetinkyiremu a wode san oforipani fie ho ene Okyeman ho se amafo di fi ene ka mo wo hu sakrata na ya twero so Agyapade na bibi ewo munye no kre